Hey everybody, welcome to my new YouTube video about Squad Busters. So today I would like to show you how to download this game on your device. So in most regions this game has already appeared in Play Store and App Store. So by the way, if you can't download this game through App Store or Play Store yet, you can try to download it through your browser, from Google Chrome for example. So let's move on the installation of the game. So all you need to do is go to Google Play if you use Android device, and go to App Store if you use iPhone or iPad, for example. And now let's search for Squad Busters. And here it is, click on it, and now I'm gonna download it. Just tap on install. Okay, so for now let's read the description of this game. And as you can see, Squad Busters is a fun multiplayer game. Every match is busting with unique, unpredictable fun. Grow your squad, loot bosses, bust your friends, collect, evolve all-star Supercell characters from Clash of Clans, Brawl Stars, Hay Day, Clash Royale, and Boom Beach. So go back and launch the game. Tap on play, and finally I'm in the game. Now I can create a new account or log into an existing one. So guys, that's how you can easily download Squad Busters on your Android or iOS device. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave your comment if you want. Thank you so much, bye bye.